Hey guys, this is Chris with CNL Collectibles, getting ready to start on our second break tonight. It's going to be break number 32, break number 33. As usual, we're going to hang out for a minute and chat, give people time to log on. If any of you guys were just in my last break, I had a internet interruption, lost the feed. We did get that started again. I got both videos downloaded, and I'll get them both posted as a part A and a part B. Apologize, not sure what happened. My screen went to sleep, and I reached over. When I woke it up, everything was froze, and then I lost internet connection, and blah, blah, blah. So anyway, while we're waiting, let's look at the break list for this week so you guys can see if you're just in on this break. We've had several breaks this week. Monday we broke 3 boxes of Playbook, 3 boxes of Stratas. Wednesday we broke 3 boxes of Clear Vision and 3 boxes of High Tech. Tonight we just got through breaking 3 boxes of Playbook, 3 boxes of Clear Vision, pulled some real nice cards in those, pulled some low numbered cards. Getting ready to do 3 boxes of High Tech and a 3-box mixer that's going to have Playbook, Clear Vision, and High Tech in it. Coming up, still on eBay, available several spots for Sunday night's breaks. We got 3 Playbooks, 3 High Techs, and a 3-box mixer. And then Monday night we got 3 boxes of Playbook, a 3-box mixer, and that'll wrap up all the cards I got. I'll get some more ordered Tuesday, and we'll get back to breaking probably next weekend. Speaking of ordering cards, coming up on March 25th releases the 2016 Leaf Ultimate Draft. I got 2 cases coming. That's a limited run. They're producing less than 300 cases, so I wish I could get more, but I'm going to get 2 coming and be breaking them and sharing them with you guys. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. It's 8:01. Tonight is Friday, March 4th, 2016. Got A. Halleck just joined us. Glad to see you back. Sorry about that feed interruption on the last break. In case you missed out, we do have both. We stopped, saw it immediately, stopped. We've got both parts of the video uploading, and I will get them posted and make sure you get both of them so you won't miss a beat. But we didn't go on with any packs. I saw it immediately, so sorry about the hassles, but we do have both videos coming. Tonight, we've already done the 3 boxes of Playbook and Clear Vision. We're fixing to do break number 32, 3 boxes of High Tech 2015, and then we're going to do break number 33, which is a 3-box mixer. Have 1 Playbook, 1 Clear Vision, and 1 High Tech. A few little rules for the break. All breaks will be uploaded to YouTube within 24 hours. I'll send a link out to everybody. The cards are going to go to the team listed on the card, not necessarily the uniform pictured. If there's multiple ownership, we'll go to random.org, randomize it 5 times. We just had a random in Playbook, so may have another one. If there's a majority ownership, it will overrule the randomization and we'll skip it. Alright, so first up tonight is the 3 boxes of High Tech. Let's run down our players list. We got some old and some new. WV Wolf Eyes 2015, couple spots, Panthers, Bears. Regular breaker with us. Wish You Knew Me 68-5's got the Cowboys. Man, you just missed out on a nice Emmitt Smith in the Clear Vision. So we got some Clear Vision coming up in this mixer break. Maybe we'll pull something good again. Gamecock Neal's got the Broncos and the Packers. Veteran breaker with us. VW Wolf Eyes 2015 and Gamecock Neal both coming back for more spots. Jaguars and Dolphins. DAA 76, just had you in one of the previous breaks. Appreciate you coming back. GOV 4192's got the Patriots. Appreciate you coming back. Was new to us earlier tonight. Gamecock Neal's got the Raiders and the Rams. VW Wolf Eyes 2015's got the Steelers. Centaur's got the 49ers, new breaker with us. K-Bat 9532. Seahawks was in a break earlier tonight. Adam S85 is a returning breaker for the Buccaneers. And in the chat room with us again is A Hollick 75. It's got the Redskins all the way across the board tonight. So we will run down the sale list for the next break as soon as we finish this one. Here's our 3 boxes of high tech. And then here's our 3-box mixer. Slide the mixer back a little bit. We'll open these high techs and get going on them. Come here. Box number 1. Pack number 1. I opened these for the first time earlier this week. I like them. They're kind of like the Clear Visions. They got some wild looking designs on them. Some of the designs I couldn't even see all the colors in because I'm watching the video feed here, but after I looked at them later on when the light hits them, they look real nice. Box number 2. Pack number 2. The only thing I will say about them is I noticed they had kind of a curve to them. They didn't want to lay nice and flat. Box number 3, pack number 3. All right, let's do it. Good luck, everybody. Get me a blank over here. All right, first up, Kurt Warner with the Rams. And I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but all those little patterns really reflect the light. They look real good in person when it hits just right. All right, Kurt Warner Rams. Next up, we got a purple Jamal Charles for the Kansas City Chiefs. Next up, we have an autographed David Cobb for the Tennessee Titans. Rookie card. Next up, Cardinals, David Johnson. Rookie card. Got a John Elway for the Denver Broncos. Pulled a nice Clear Vision John Elway earlier. Got another David Johnson Cardinals. I think we just pulled him, didn't we? Drew Brees for the Saints. And last card in the first pack is Devontae Adams for the Packers. All right, pack number 2. All right, first up, Devontae Fowler Jr. for the Jaguars. Tim Brown for the Raiders. That's a numbered card. Is numbered 56 out of 99. Tim Brown, Raiders. Got an autographed Sammy Coates for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Got a Randy Gregory, Cowboys. Trey Waynes, Minnesota Vikings. Sean Mannion for the Rams. Real wild designs on these cards. Sammy Coates for the Steelers. And Ryan Tannenhill for the Dolphins. All right, guys. Pack number 3 in the high techs. Good luck to everybody. If you hadn't got a card yet, hopefully you'll pull one in this pack. All right, first up, Tom Brady. Next up's Kurt Warner. Purple card for the Rams, St. Louis Rams. I got an autograph, Melvin Gordon for the San Diego Chargers. Next up's Chris Conley for the Chiefs. Jerry Rice, 49ers. Amari Cooper for the Raiders. Nelson Aguilar for the Eagles. And last card in this break is Jordan Matthews. Alright, that's it, guys. Remember, I don't pack them, I just open them. Alright, that's it for that break. Let's see here. Let's go down our buyer's list. For last break of the night is a 2015 3-box mixer break number 33. It is March the 4th, 2016. This break started at 8 o'clock. It's about 8:11 now. The mixer is going to consist of one Playbook, one Clear Vision, and one High Tech, all 2015. Just like the rest of our breaks tonight, we got a good mix, new and old. New breaker with us, Clutch Droid, has the Cardinals and the Falcons. WV Wolf Eyes 2015's regular with us, Panthers and Bears. Appreciate you coming. Hope you pull something good tonight. El Dorado 3113. I don't think I spelt that right. But anyway, the El Dorado 3113's got the Broncos. Centaur's back with us for the Lions. UWRJL's got the Packers. Red Dog Martin's got his usual spot, the Dolphins. Gamecock Neil's alumni with us, got the Raiders. Clutch Droid coming back for the Steelers. Keithers 143 is a new breaker with us, got the Rams. Welcome you in. And I didn't say it, but UWRJL's a new breaker. Also like to welcome them. Chargers. Gamecock Neil's got the Seahawks. El Dorado 3113's got the Buccaneers. Lindsay 2004 Titans. And A. Halleck 75 anchors our break tonight with another Redskin spot. So, alright, slide these over. We'll go ahead and open them all up, and then we'll go through them. Right, here's our High Tech. One box, one pack. Clear Vision. All this clear plastic packing makes it hard to see what I need to do to get them open. Alright, we got 1, 2, start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. And we got a Playbook. One box, one pack. That's all our boxes open. Let's get our packs open. While I'm opening this up, we'll give a shout out to any hockey fans watching tonight. We went to the Predators game last night. Got comped some VIP suite seats. Got to sit in the leather recliners and up in the Platinum Club. Predators ended up losing, but had a lot of fun at the game. Jamison Crowder for the Redskins. There's one right off the bat for A. Hallett. Maybe that's a good sign for you. Got a Peyton Manning, numbered 01 out of 75. Did anybody get the Broncos spots tonight? I got somebody that's supposed to be watching my list, but I didn't give the list to them, I don't think. Yeah, El Dorado 3113. Real nice low number. Number 1 out of 75. Peyton Manning. Auto Trey McBride, Tennessee Titans. Gonna be the auto in that pack. Bob Lilly with the Dallas Cowboys. Got a Warren Moon, Houston Oilers. Later became Tennessee Titans, so that'll go to the Titans. Got a Terrell Davis for the Broncos. A Ty Montgomery for the Green Bay Packers. And a Jamal Charles for the Kansas City Chiefs. Alright, that's going to do it for the high-tech box. Let's get into our clear visions here. Got 6 packs, 3 cards in each pack. Pack number 1 has got a Peyton Manning. We pulled quite a few of him here lately. Manning. We've got a Clarity C.J. Mosley for the Ravens. And we have Teddy Bridgewater, sophomore standout for the Vikings. All right, pack number 2. Got Steve Smith Sr. for the Ravens. Got a number 19 out of 99 blue card. Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. And we got a rookie revision, Chris Carter for the Eagles. All right, pack number 3. 3 of 6. All right, we've got a LaShawn McCoy, Buffalo Bills. Got a nice big jumbo patch there. Jeremy Hill for the Bengals, numbered 63 out of 99. Jeremy Hill, Bengals. And Eagles, Jordan Matthews. All right, halfway through the clear visions. Pack number 4. Excuse me, guys. Dez Bryant for the Cowboys. Brett Hundley, Packers. And DeAndre Hopkins, Texans. All right, pack number 5. I think this is the one the team visions are usually in. I'd like to have one of those Titans team visions. I like them. I don't know if they're, maybe not. Tom Brady, Patriots. I don't know if they're necessarily in a pack. All right, here we got another fairly low number, a 16 out of 99, Kevin White for the Chicago Bears. 16 out of 99, Bears. Good looking card. And Tim Tebow, rookie revision. All right, last pack in the clear visions. We have got Larry Fitzgerald. Larry Fitzgerald with the Cardinals. Got Melvin Gordon III, Chargers. And last up, Steve Young, rookie revisions for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Alright, that's going to wrap up our clear visions. Last pack to open tonight. It's a pack of Playbooks. While I get this open, remind everybody we got Super Bowl sets listed on eBay, AFC, NFC. $14.50 per pack, no shipping charges. You guys need some of that in your collection. Also got a bunch of NASCAR stuff listed. Some nice 124 scale cars, all different kinds. Alright, Playbook. Cleveland Browns, Isaiah Crowell, Dwayne Bowe. And that is numbered 148 out of 299 for the Browns. Next up, we got Cowboys, 51 out of 199, Joseph Randle. Joseph Randle, 51 out of 199, Cowboy patch autograph. And last up tonight is a silver booklet, Philip Dorsett for the Indianapolis Colts. No autograph. Jumbo patch on one side, nice solid patch on the other with the shadow box design. And this one is numbered 51 out of 199. Philip Dorsett closing the night out. Alright, that's it for tonight, guys. Like I said, we got some breaks coming up Sunday night, Monday night. Get in on them. Get you some Super Bowl cards to add to your collection. Branch out a little bit, get into NASCAR, go check my stuff out. Just look at all my other items. If you guys got any questions, get with me. Appreciate you guys joining us in the chat room. Had a blast. We'll see you next time. Thanks.